Alright, number 39 is also a finding a missing angle problem. I'll set it up for you, but then I want you guys to just work it on your own because we just did a bunch of those. So number 39 says a support wire is attached to the top of a 150-meter radio tower. That means here's a 150-meter radio tower. And there's a wire attached to it, so it's attached up here somewhere. The wire is 190 meters long. They want to know what the measure of the angle the wire makes with the ground. That means the wire is something like this, and it is 190 meters. Okay, and they want to know the angle right here. What is that angle right here? So find that angle right there. Okay, so we got 150, 190, and then you're looking for that angle right there. Same as the ones above. But now let's move on to number 40 through the last one, 42. These are all angle of elevation and angle of depression problems. I'm going to do all of them because I want you to be able to understand these ones as best you can. Follow the instructions how I do them because that's just the simplest way. Unless your teacher told you otherwise, okay? But my class, follow like I do it here. Alright, so number 40, classify each angle as angle of elevation or angle of depression. Angle 1 is over here. Is that elevation or depression? That's from the hot air balloon, that's from the parachute guy looking down. That means it's angle of depression. Okay, the second angle, number 2, is over here. This guy's looking up. That means it's angle of elevation. Perfect. Alright, moving on. Number 41. A pilot in a plane spots a forest fire on the ground at an angle of depression of 71 degrees. The plane's altitude is 3,000 feet. What is the horizontal distance from the plane to the fire? Okay, so they drew you a nice little picture right here. I would just, you can use this picture and it's going to be a little different, but if I were to draw my own picture, look, this says angle of depression right. Remember, angle of depression, we draw the upside down right triangle. That's what I told my class to do. Upside down right triangle. There it is, okay? The angle of depression is always going to be right here between the horizontal and the line of sight, so that's 71 degrees. And then they tell us the plane's altitude. Altitude is height. That means it's 3,000 feet over here. That's the height. Okay? They want to know the horizontal distance. Which one's horizontal? Is it my hypotenuse or is it my horizontal line? It's the horizontal line, so we're looking for this right here. That's x, okay? Now this picture just looks very simple, okay? It's just defining the missing side, so let's label our sides. Opposite side from right angle, that's over here. That's the hypotenuse. We're not given a number, so we're not going to be messing with that one. Opposite side is across from the angle, the 71. That means 3,000 feet is my opposite side, which means x is my adjacent side, because that's what's left over. Okay, now what are we working with to find x? Okay, we're given 3,000 feet, that's the opposite side, and we're looking for x, which is the adjacent side. Which function uses opposite and adjacent? Is tangent. So we're going to write tangent of 71 equals opposite, that's 3,000, over the adjacent, which is x. Now this is a two-stepper because x is on the bottom. Multiply both sides by x. That's going to cancel the x over here. Leave me with x tangent. Oh, whoa, wow. X tangent of 71 equals 3,000. One more step, we're going to divide both sides by tangent of 71. And that means my answer is going to be x equals 3,000 divided by tangent of 71. And if you put that in the calculator, divided by tangent of 71, you're going to get 1,032 point, you're rounding to the tenths, it's 1,032.98, but the 9 will round up to a 10, which means it's just going to be 1,033. So this is about 1,033 feet. Boom. I guess you should put 0.0 to show that you actually know how to round. Bam. There we go.